Hello there and welcome to the Card Grotto. Today I've got the new release from Clearly Besotted to share with you. All of these items will be available to purchase today. That's the 1st of March 2020 at 8 PM at Greenwich Mean Time. You can purchase them from the Clearly Besotted shop and also from Simon Says Stamp. So as I usually do, I'm going to share the new release with you and also the samples that I have made. So first of all, this is the first set. This is the Under My Umbrella set. It is absolutely adorable. So you've got all of these cute critters that can hang on to the umbrella or the kite there, and you've got the sun, the cloud, like I said, all of these cute little critters, the fox, the bunny, little dog and the cat and the bear. Really cute. There's some like raindrops and kind of movement marks and things like that as well. The sentiments read, hello, shine bright, baby shower, I've got you covered, get well, up and away. Wishing you brighter days, I love you rain or shine, yay, XO, yay, 2 kisses, woo, and another little XO, oh, and a hi there as well. Really great set that you can make some really cute little scenes with. This is the first project that I made using this set. I just fell in love with that cute little fox and I thought he would look really cute holding an umbrella. I thought I'd do it in rainbow colours, and then I did some rainbow clouds in the background. So I used distress inks for that and the Cloudy Day stencil from Clearly Besotted. Just did that in rainbow order, masked off the edges and then just stamped the sentiment there next to the cute little fox. And then I thought that I would make another little project. This is just a cute little tag using the tag along dies collection, and I thought it'd be cute to have the little bunny with the kite there, just to show that you obviously can use them in different ways. And again, I did some clouds in the background with the Cloudy Day stencil and some distress inks, but for that one I just kept those blue. And then the sentiment is from a set that I'm going to share with you later on. Next up is the Pick a Plushie set. Such a cute set. I didn't get a chance to use it for my teasers this month, but hopefully I will soon. But I'm sure there is lots of inspiration from the other design team. Just a cute set with lots of different vegetables and fruits. You've got like bananas and I'm assuming this is a watermelon slice, really cute. You've got like the pepper and the corn, the avocado, it's just adorable. The pineapple and the carrots and things. The sentiments read, hi, very cute, hey, hug me, hello, I dig you, hugs, you really are the sweetest, excuse me, and you are my main squeeze. Just so cute. Next up is the Anteater Antics. I love that Clearly Besotted have lots of different animal sets with animals that aren't really necessarily in lots of other stamp sets, just something a little bit different to the stamping world, and these anteaters are just so cute. So you have all of the different anteaters here in their different poses, kind of you can have them holding the balloon or kind of with bubbles in the sky kind of going up to the bubbles, or the butterflies there, some flowers there, one holding the I can't even think what it's called, you know, where you grab the butterflies in. It's completely gone out of my mind, sorry. And the one there blowing bubbles, just sitting up, really cute. And you've got the 2 little ants there as well, and an extra little flower. The sentiments read, wishing you happy days, celebrate new beginnings, you are great, spring has sprung, you put a spring in my step, it's your time to bloom, marvellous, happy days, XO, smile and hi. That's Annette, I remembered what it was called. So yeah, just a really cute set you can again make lots of really cute scenes with. And for my card, I obviously kept it very clean and simple. That's my kind of style, but I thought it'd be cute just to have the anteater there kind of looking up to the butterflies flying off. So I stamped them, coloured them in with Copic markers and cut them out, and then the sentiment I just heat embossed in white. And then for the background I masked off the edges, did some just simple distress ink for the sky. And then for the grass, this is the new stencil, and this is called Freshly Cut. It is already in the shop, so you've got the grass here, which is what I use, the grass blades, but you also have like landscapes, so you can use them as hills. You could actually use them as waves and water and things like that as well. It's a really versatile stencil. Next up is the prickly plushies. These are adorable. I love cacti and succulents. I have loads of them and I just love them. They're really great, obviously, because you don't have to water them so much and they don't tend to die on you, which is really great. And these ones with the cute little faces are just so cute. So you've got all of the different cacti here in their pots, all of the different designs of them, ones with some flowers on, ones with like double cacti and things. The sentiments read, let's stick together, XO big hugs, you can't touch this, I'm stuck on you, looking sharp, I've been prickly, hi, hope your birthday is on point, ha, I'm so sorry. Again, make loads of cute little scenes, but you can definitely use these on their own as well. This is the first project that I have made with this set. So I stamped out, coloured and cut out the 3 of the cacti. I thought they looked quite nice together. And then the sentiment is from a set that I'm going to share with you in a moment. Just did some simple ink blending in the background. I thought it would make a nice cute little card. So this is where the sentiment came from. This is the Says It All set, another one of the sets with tons of different sentiments in that you can use all year round. So the sentiments read, sincerest thanks, your kindness is truly appreciated, which is the one that I used on my card. There's Happy New Year, wishing you happiness and success. Thinking of you, you are always in my thoughts. Happy holidays, it's the most wonderful time. Best teacher, thank you for all you do. Bon voyage, have a wonderful time, well done, so very proud of you. Happy belated birthday, it took a lot of time to make the perfect card. Have a great birthday, hope your day is as wonderful as you are. Huge congratulations, great news, I'm absolutely thrilled for you. Happy retirement, do more of what makes you happy. And happy Halloween, best wishes to you on Fright Night. Those are the ones with the 2 different sentiments, or the 2 different fonts I should say. And then you've got some separate ones here at the top, sending hugs and kisses and wishing you all the best. And then I did also create another little project to tag here with the prickly plushies. I just absolutely fell in love with them. So I did a bit of alcohol ink in the background, again used the tag along die set and just added a little kind of vellum circle and then the cacti there as well. And then for the back I did a simple sentiment from the next set that I'm going to share with you, and this is the Saying Stuff set. Again, another great set, can be used all year round. You've got the large sentiments on this one. So you've got happy birthday, best father, new home, Fright Night, just married, well done, with love, welcome baby, Easter blessings, happy graduation, sending hugs, best mother, Merry Christmas, best wishes, good luck, sincere thanks and happy holidays. And I did just want to mention quickly, I had planned on putting a sentiment on the front of this, and I had planned on doing this sentiment here, this you can't touch this. I just thought it'd be quite funny with the cacti, but I completely cannot find my little speech bubble dies anywhere, and I thought I did sort of do it here, as you can see, in kind of just a sentiment strip, but I felt that it would make more sense if it was in a speech bubble, like the cacti is obviously saying you can't touch me, because of the being a cacti. So it didn't quite work as I'd planned, but hopefully I'll find those speech bubble dies at some point and then I can finish off this tag. And then the last set for this month, this is the Pawly plushies. So you've got all of these really cute little bears here in their kind of get well kind of design. So you've got the cute little one here with the sling on the arm and the plaster or the band-aid on the head. You've got one with like a little hot water bottle, again with kind of like a plaster and a little blanket, one with bandages around him, a really cute one with just the holding some flowers, which would be really nice as if you're sending get well flowers to someone, but you could definitely use that all year round for lots of different occasions. One under a blanket, which is really cute, and then the one holding the fruit basket. You've got a separate balloon there, which is really nice. You could use that with loads of different critters or any of these ones as well. There's lots of sentiments in this set. Sending bear hugs, hope you get well soon. Sending hugs and kisses, I miss you, I'm here for you, or thanks. And that's the sentiment that I used on the tag in that I first shared with you. Get well soon, I love you so very much. For you, sending get well wishes. Sorry you're poorly. Hope you feel better soon. Very much, and XO, and then there's a little hi there as well. And this is the card that I made using that set. Stamped out the little bear there, coloured him in and cut him out. Again, did a tag. I'm loving tags at the moment, but this time I thought I'd put it on a card. Just stamped out the sentiment there, and then stamped out, kind of cut out a little aperture in the tag. And that's also from the Tag Along Die collection. Just added that onto a card with some pattern paper in the background. Thought it would be a cute little card to send to someone when they're not feeling very well. And then last but not least, I just wanted to mention, if you buy the bundle and you buy all of the stamp sets together, you do get a discount off of the price. I'm not 100% sure what the discount is, I do apologise. But you also get some free gifts. You get some pattern paper, and you also get this exclusive stencil, and this is the Got You Covered stencil, and I just thought I wanted to share it with you. It's a really lovely stencil. All of these umbrellas make a really lovely background for any of the critter images or lots of other images as well. So that was a look at the new release from Clearly Besotted for March 2020. I hope you've enjoyed watching. Links to the products will be in the description bar on YouTube and also over on my blog. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.